Moving on to exercise 5.3. So I have 2x plus 3y is equal to sin x. I need to differentiate this with respect to x. Differentiating with respect to x on both sides, I'll have d by dx of 2x plus 3y is equal to d by dx of sin x. The variable here is x. Left hand side la 3y mattumna, it is dependent on y. Correct? Yaro indha nerathula pattas vedichittirukka. Yarunna theriyala. I hope you don't hear it. Even if you hear it, just enjoy the crackers when it's not Diwali. Okay, now d by dx of 2x plus 3y. So in that I'm going to differentiate each and every term. So it is going to be d by dx of 2x plus d by dx of 3y. In the plus in the plus. Okay, whenever you have plus or minus, please don't miss out the sign. Is equal to d by dx of sin x. Now what is my first term? D by dx of 2x is going to be 2 is a constant. D by dx of x is going to be 1 plus d by dx of 3y. 3y another 3 is a constant. I will take that outside. And I have d by dx of y. So it is going to be dy by dx is equal to in the book d by dx of sin x. What is the derivative of sin x? It is going to be cos x. So I have cos x. So now 2 plus 3 times dy by dx is equal to cos x. I am going to take the 2 to the other side. So I have 3 times dy by dx is equal to cos x minus 2. So dy by dx is equal to cos x minus 2 divided by 3. Okay, your final answer is in terms of x. Okay, sorry. Highlight panna poi erase pannten. Please copy. Second question. 2x plus 3y is equal to sin y. Pona question 2x plus 3y is equal to sin x. Here you have sin y. That is the only difference. So how does your value change? Now taking d by dx on both sides, I have d by dx of 2x plus d by dx of 3y equal to d by dx of sin y. So what is my next step? D by dx of 2x. 2 is a constant times d by dx of x plus 3 is a constant d by dx of y is equal to d by dx of sin y. So this is going to be cos y times d by dx of y. Correct? The variable here is y. So you need to take the derivative with respect to x. So in that 2 times 1 plus 3 times dy by dx is equal to cos y dy divided by dx. So in that dy by dx terms club pannalama. So I have 2 is equal to cos y dy by dx minus 3 times dy by dx. So this is in terms of product. Ana inge plus irukku. So when it comes to the other side, I'll have a minus. Okay. Now I have 2 is equal to taking dy by dx common, dy by dx of cos y minus 3. Now I need to find dy by dx. So dy by dx is equal to 2 divided by, when this goes to the other side, it becomes a division. So I have cos y minus 3. So this is my final answer. Okay. Copy. Question number 3. Ax plus by square is equal to cos y. So again taking the derivative with respect to x, I'll have d by dx of ax plus d by dx of by square equal to d by dx of cos y. So a is a constant, d by dx of x plus b is a constant, d by dx of y square is equal to d by dx of cos y, which is minus sin y. Cos or a derivative is minus sin times d by dx of y. Now what is my next step? A times 1 plus b times y square or a derivative it is going to be 2y, but I will have dy by dx and a variable y. Okay, equal to minus sin y times dy divided by dx. Clubbing the terms with dy by dx on one side. So I will have b 2 y times dy divided by dx. This I am going to bring it to the other side. So plus sin y dy by dx is equal to, taking this to the other side, I'll have minus a. Okay. Now taking dy by dx to be common, 2by plus sin y equal to minus a. So what is my dy by dx? Dy by dx is equal to minus a divided by 2by plus sin y. Okay. So this is my final answer. Please copy. Question number 4. xy plus y square equals tan x plus y. So d by dx on both sides, d by dx of xy plus d by dx of y square equal to d by dx of tan x plus d by dx of y. So d by dx of xy, this is in terms of product, correct? This is in terms of product. Product kenna formula? D by dx of u times v is going to be v u dash plus u v dash. You remember? So in the formula use panna enna varum? Here I am going to have v u dash. So this is going to be my u, this is going to be my v. So idu apply panna enna agum? V u dash. So I have v, which is y, times u dash. So d by dx of x plus u v dash. So it is going to be x times d by dx of y. This is my first term. Plus second term, d by dx of y square. So I am going to have 2y times d by dx of y. Y square or derivative is 2y and I have y. So d by dx of 2y equal to tan x or derivative is going to be secant square x. The variable is x. Adala differentiate panna 1 da varapodhu. Plus here I have dy divided by dx. Okay. So next step, y times d by dx of x is going to be simply 1 plus x times dy by dx plus 2y dy by dx is equal to secant square x plus dy divided by dx. So clubbing the terms which have dy by dx on one side and the other terms on the other side. Eduthu polama. So I have x times dy by dx plus 2y dy by dx minus dy by dx is equal to secant square x minus y. The y here comes to the other side. Okay, for taking dy by dx to be common, I have x plus 2y minus 1 is equal to secant square x minus y. So dy by dx is going to be secant square x minus y divided by x plus 2y minus 1. Okay. Please copy. Moving on to fifth question. Square plus xy plus y square equal to 100. So d by dx on all both sides, I have d by dx of x square plus d by dx of xy plus d by dx of y square is equal to d by dx of 100. So in the pakka enna irukku? D by dx of x square. What is the derivative of x square? It is going to be simply 2x. What is your variable here? X. Another with respect to x panna, it is going to be 1. Plus here I have again a product. So in the xy irukku. So again using the formula, d by dx of uv is going to be v u dash plus u v dash. So in the x is my u and y is my v. So in the formula putta enna agum? V u dash, which is going to be y times d by dx of x plus u v dash. So x times d by dx of y plus d by dx of y square. So in the term derivate panna enna agum? Differentiate panna 2 times y into d by dx of y. Correct? Y யும் differentiate pannom. Is equal to d by dx of 100. What is the derivative of a constant? It is going to be 0. Okay. Now next step, 2x plus y times d by dx of x is going to be simply 1 plus x into dy by dx plus 2y dy by dx is equal to 0. So clubbing all the terms which have dy by dx, I have x times dy divided by dx plus 2y dy by dx is equal to 2x goes to the other side, y goes to the other side. So I have minus 2x minus y. Okay, so in that dy by dx a common adutha, I have dy by dx times x plus 2y is equal to minus 2x minus y. So I have dy by dx is equal to minus 2x minus y divided by x plus 2y. So in that venuna minus a common aduthalam. So I have minus of 2x plus y divided by x plus 2y. So this is my dy divided by dx. Please copy.